Hello, I am Jessica. I'm the online sales manager here at Jagoe Homes, and this video is to show you how to use the home estimate pricing tool on our website. So at this point, you have created your account and you've logged in and you're on the My Home screen. So the next thing you want to do is create your first home estimate. So down here on the bottom left of the screen, you see Create New Home Estimate. So you'll want to click there. And whenever you do, it's going to open up the new screen where you're going to start this home estimate. So you can make this any type of name that you want, and you'll choose your community from there. So let's go with Edgewater at Brookfield and choose our floor plan. So I'm going to use the Cumberland floor plan, and then we will choose select options here. Once we click on that, it's going to open the home estimate to where you can see now several different things. You can see what your floor plan is that you've chosen. And then you can also see the base price of this home. That base price is specific to the community that you've chosen, and base pricing changes based on location. So if you're considering multiple communities, I recommend doing multiple estimates within each different community because the pricing will change. So you can also see here any personalized options. That's right now it's at 0 because we haven't done anything. But as you go through your home estimate, you will see that number will change as you add things to your home or take things away from your home. So just to get started here, for the elevation, of course, you have the elevation C, which is, it says included in price. And if you were going to choose a different option, such as this C1 elevation, you could do that, and you can tell here exactly what that's going to do to your pricing. So it's going to raise your price by $35.25. Whenever, it's not going to do it automatically. However, you will have to choose update pricing here at the bottom. Once I click update pricing, then you'll see now that it has added that feature into the personalized options here on the left. And then it has also increased your total. So this will keep a running tally as you work through your home estimate. Something else to notice in your home estimate are these little eye bubbles here in the middle. If you were to click on this eye, it's going to pull up a picture for you to see that option that you've chosen. So you can do this throughout your home estimate as well. We click on next at the bottom, and that will take you into different sections of your home estimate, different categories. So these are all of the different categories. And if you want to skip around during your home estimate, you can just by clicking on whatever category you want. So right now we have the option to convert the second story into a 4th bedroom or extend the loft. But let's go into the countertops. So you can see here that it talks about your kitchen countertops, and you have Formica countertop included in the price. But if you wanted to choose a different option, you could. If you chose the granite level 2, that's an additional $37.50, and you could click on the little eye here again and also see the different colors that you have to choose from. So you have the colonial white, black pearl, all of the different options there are shown in images so that you can see exactly what you're choosing. So then from there you could choose which color you wanted to see or select, and the type of edge. And it is very detailed. So if you do have questions throughout this process, feel free to reach out to us. You can reach us by email at osc@jagoehomes.com. And we're also always available by phone or text message or on our chat. And our phone number is 270-213-6427. By the end of your home estimate, you will have chosen several different options throughout. Make sure that whenever you're doing that, you are clicking on update pricing and save. And then by the time you're finished, it will save this for you in your home estimates back on the My Home page. So now I have access to go back and review that home estimate again and make changes to it in the future. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.